Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to create a line chart on your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example. I have two columns, one with name and the second one with the sale. So I would like to see the graphical presentation in form of line chart on this data. So I will select the data without heading and then go to Insert tab on the top. And then from the chart section, there is a line chart. If I click this one, there are different charts option. For example, I go for the first one, click this one, and your chart has been created within your worksheet. I can move the chart anywhere within the worksheet. I can resize the chart from the corners to compatible according to the data. And then if I want to change the title of the chart, double click on this one and then backspace, and I can put anything here, sale, and click outside the chart. And second thing I would like to see the numbers as well along with these different points. So I will select this line and then on the right hand side there is a plus button. Click on this one and you can see the data labels option. If I click this one, the all the figures, all the numbers have been inserted inside the chart area. Second thing, it has a different lots of options. Second option is data table. If I click this one, it will show the data table at the bottom of the chart area. So, and grid lines, I can leave it on and leave it off. You can see the background grid line, they are not anymore. So if I want, there shouldn't be any border around the chart. I double click on the chart area, a window will pop up and there is a border option and select no line option from here. Now you can see the border around the chart area has been removed. And if I want the different design of the chart, so I will select the chart and under the design tab, it's showing me the multiple design. I can go for any chart. It will show you preview as well if you just hover your mouse on it. So if I go with this one, I will select this one and it will apply the background color for this chart. So this is how you can create chart and modify the line chart. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.